Hello everyone, I'm Darshan. In this video, I'm going to teach you a shortcut method to solve the problems on Runge-Kutta 4th order method. I'm not going to cover any theoretical part, you may already know it. I will just teach a method to solve the problems quicker. Consider the problem. Solve dy by dx equal to x plus y square with the initial condition y of 0 is equal to 1 for x equal to 0.2 and x equal to 0.4 in the steps of 0.2 using Runge-Kutta method. First we shall take x plus y square as f of x comma y, and given that the initial condition is y is equal to 1 when x equal to 0, so I am taking x naught as 0 and y naught as 1. Also given that we have to solve this problem in the steps of 0.2, I am taking h is equal to 0.2, x naught is 0, x1 is x naught plus h, that is 0 plus 0.2, that is 0.2, x2 is x1 plus h, 0.2 plus 0.2 is equal to 0.4. The value of y at x1 is y1, the value of y at x2 is y2. So to find out y1, we have this formula. y1 is equal to y0 plus 1 by 6 into k1 plus 2 k2 plus 2 k3 plus k4, where k1 k2 k3 k4 is written here. If you observe the formulas of k1 k2 k3 k4, all of them are in the form of h into f of x comma y. So to find out k1 k2 k3 k4, I will first type this formula h into f of x comma y in the calculator. That is h is 0.2 into bracket open, f of x comma y is x plus y square, x plus y square. Now we shall find out k1 plus calc. The value of x is x naught, that is 0. The value of y is 1. So we get the value of k1 as 0.2. Next, to find out k2 plus calc, the value of x is x naught plus h by 2, that is 0 plus 0.2 by 2, 0 plus 0.2 by 2. The value of y is y naught plus k1 by 2, that is 1 plus 0.2 by 2, 1 plus 0.2 by 2. So we get k2 is 0.262. Next is to find k3. Again plus calc. Now the value of x is x naught plus h by 2. The value of y is y naught plus k2 by 2. k2 is 0.262 by 2. x naught, that is 0 plus 0.2 by 2. y is 1 plus 0.262 by 2. I get k3 as 0.2758. Next, to find out k4 plus calc, x is x naught plus h, that is 0 plus 0.2. y is y naught plus k3, y naught is 1, k3 is 0.2758, 1 plus k3, 0.2758. I get k4 as 0.3655. Once you get the values of k1, k2, k3 and k4, you can substitute these values in this formula and you can find out y1. Just take this as it is, 1 plus 1 by 6 into bracket open 0.2 plus 2 into 0.26, 2 plus 2 into 0.2758 plus 0.3655 bracket close. We get y1 as 1.2735. That is the value of y at x equal to x1. That is y of 0.2 is 1.2735. Next, to find out y2, the value of y at x2, follow the same procedure as y1. Wherever you had x0, y0, you have x1, y1. To find out y2, in place of y0, you have y1. If you press the up arrow, you have the same formula there, 0.2 into x comma y. Again press calc, x1, now the value of x is x1 and y1. x1 is 0.2, y1 is 1.2735, 0.2, y is 1.2735. Get k1 is equal to 0.3644. So this is the k1 corresponding to y2. Next, to find out k2 for y2, again press calc. In place of x, you take x1 plus h by 2. x1 is 0.2 plus 0.2 by 2. And y is 1.2735 plus k1 by 2, 0.3644 by 2. So we get k2 as 0.4838. Similarly, you can find out k3, k4, and lastly substitute those values in this formula to find out the value of y at x2. So you can use this trick in any other calculator which supports this formula option.